that was weak.
I know.
Weak.
Okay, I got it. I got it this time. Hold on. It's all spilling out everywhere.
This sounds so disgusting. Oh.
She'll let me do it.
Do it. Sarah's good at it. Give it to her.
Give it to me.
Colt, you're not good at farting.
I made that one that was just like...
Yeah, while we weren't recording.
I made like a perfect fart noise one.
Ugh. Cheating! Cheater!
Wait.
No, cheating would be just putting your butt up to the mic.
This should be.
This guy's gonna cheat.
We should have like deleted scenes. And it'll be just stuff like the beginning of that first
Why
video
bother
and
even
then this.
deleting them?
No, deleted scenes like they won't be in the episode, but they'll be in like an episode.
Like we'll have like a
we have-
bloopers type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like at the end of every week or whatever. Once if we get into a regular schedule.
We're probably not going to have a regular schedule.
Yeah, because of work and all that. Fun garbage that sucks, actually. Work isn't fun, kids. Don't get a job. Live in your parents' basement. All that fun stuff.
Colton's not serious. They're like fart.
Yeah, because me telling kids to live in their parents' basement for forever is very
It's
serious.
like Failure to Launch. That's what they did. Actually,
I'm gonna try again.
there was a character in Failure to Launch that bought his mom's house. You have an amateur science bracelet. Amateur science?
I also have a Wheatley Laboratories one, but that one gets really faded because I work for a lot and then I had to do dishes a lot.
It's like my
And it's really faded, so I'm not going to wear it anymore because it's how faded it is.
Yeah.
So I wear this one. Because this one's also actually indented, so even if it does fade, it'll still...
Right.
Should I just stop recording now? Or
No, I'm going to make a big fart.
Alright, fine.
He's gonna make a fart noise.
Gotta do that first. Gotta get it all... Gotta get a good seal. Gotta get a good seal. Good seal, not like the celebrity, just or
You're
the
trying too hard. Stop it.
You're trying too hard. You're a try hard.
That just sounds really gross. Like you're actually sticking your fingers in poop.
That's right. I get hardcore farts.
You're trying too hard. That was weak.
You're weak.
What is that?
That was a duck.
That was a baby food.
Why is your heart so squeaky?
My fingers are all bony. The air's just slipping out through everywhere.
Got me slipping.
Oh, tumbling. Oh, baby. Oh, fumbling.
Sarah, do you have your phone?
It's in my coat pocket.
Oh, okay. Because I sent you a message earlier.
When are we going to find out if your neighbors have their controllers?
Yeah, Sarah, when can we play Lord of the Rings?
Lord of the Rings!
Look forward to that, children.